Instead of putting on just the cash secured put, what I'm going to do is place a put ratio spread. I'm going to show you exactly how I set it up to reduce my risk and increase my potential profitability on this trade. Hey everyone, welcome back. My name's Levi Woods. This is Drawbridge Finance. And if you haven't watched my videos before, I make option trading simplified. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to show you how you might set up a scenario where you can buy stock at a lower level, or you can make money without owning the stock at all. And it's a pretty simple setup. What we're gonna look at is adding a bear put spread to a cash secured put to create a profit tent below the current value. This can decrease my overall risk and increase my potential profitability. Today, we're gonna take a look at an example on IBIT. And now this is not financial advice in any way, shape or form. It's just what I'm doing, what I'm looking at. Now, IBIT is trading at $40.15. It's down 3% today. This is an excellent time to open a cash secured put. Now, I've determined by looking at the levels that I don't mind owning these shares at about $33 cost basis. So typically, if I was doing a cash secured put, that's what I would do. I would go into the options chain and I would select the 33 put. Now I've already selected this here, April 17th, which is 42 days out, 33 strike, we're put, we're selling, and I've got two of these contracts in here. I want to point out a couple of things here that I'm going to be collecting about $72 per contract. So I'm going to be collecting $144 credit to open this trade today. And my max loss is going to be $6,458. That's how much it would cost me if the IBIT was going down and I was forced to buy the shares and they went to absolute zero. Now, I'm not worried about this type of risk because I believe that Bitcoin is not going to go to absolute zero, especially over the next 43 days. And this is the type of risk that I would typically take if I was selling cash secured puts. Now, the probability of profit is already 84% on this trade. It is excellent. I'm gonna pull up my calculator. I'm just gonna do a quick calculation based on the return of value. So if I collect $144 over the course of 43 days, I'm gonna divide that by the total risk taken, which is $64.58. And that's going to work out to a percentage. This is 2.2% over the next 43 days. Now, if we divide that by 42, and then we times that by 365, I'll get an annualized return. So this is an annualized return of 19%. So this is, you can see why I would want to take this trade. I have an 84% chance of making 19%, and I don't put out any cash today. What I can do is I can actually use that cash. I can put it in a product like T-bill, and I can actually make a little bit more money on top of that. I might be able to make another 3% annually. So all of a sudden we're looking at a trade that has an 84% chance of making 22% return. That is fantastic, but I'm going to show you how to make it even better. How might I do this? Let's look at the curve first of all. I mean, cash secured puts are pretty simple. I collect the money. If it stays above 33, the puts expire worthless, and I'm just left with $144, which means I've made my 2.2% over the course of time. If it drops down, I sell off my T-bill position. I buy the shares for $33 each. Pretty simplistic. But what I'm going to show you is what can I do to add this? I'm going to go back to the table view here in Moomoo, and I'm just going to add a 37 put. Now you're going to look at this and say, holy, that seems pricey. We're paying $159 for purchasing this. Now Moomoo automatically puts this in as quantity 2. I'm going to change this to a quantity of 1. Now I am actually paying a net debit to do this trade all of a sudden. So we are looking at $13 debit out of pocket, which is not what I want to do on this type of trade. I want to collect a credit for put ratio spread. Let's look at the curve. Well, the first thing we notice is we have a huge profit tent to the downside. I have this zone between $29 and $36 where I could make a substantial amount of money. This is called my profit tent. I'm editing this video right now. I'm realizing that I didn't really thank the sponsor of today's video. So I wanted to give a shout out to Moomoo. They've been kind enough to sponsor my videos. And as you guys know, I only work with companies that I actually use. So when you see me using a product like Moomoo, it's because I'm trading that in my live account daily. So thanks, Moomoo. Appreciate it. A max profit now of up to $386, substantially more. You'll also note that my max loss is quite a bit less. It's only $2,900. So this is fantastic, but the probability of profit is dropped to 30%. I want to get that probability of profit up. I want to make sure that the money collected is making a decent amount of money. And I want to have a max profit that is higher than 144 we were looking at by increasing the amount of risk. What I've done by adding a long put is that I've created a bear put spread. And what this does is it actually allows this trade, the long 37 put and the short 33 put, to function together to create a profit tent that can make up to $400 credit at expiration. But I'm only left with one short put. So I'm only allocating only 100 shares, and I previously was allocating 200 shares. To increase that, all I have to do is click on the plus button. Now what I've done is I've agreed to buy 300 shares at $33, but I also have a protective put in place, the long 37, that makes money if the stock goes down there, which means that I only have 2 that are cash secured, which is what I had before. I had about a $6,500 investment. Well, you'll see my max loss is all of a sudden way, way less. It's actually $6,140. My probability of profit is actually increased. My max profit is now increased, but I'm only collecting a $60 credit. So what I can do here is I can actually just move these over, and Moomoo makes it very easy. And I have these 33 short puts. What if I just slide those over and I move them up to the 34? So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to move it to the 34. You'll note my break even, it moves over. 31.96 is now my potential purchase price. My max loss is 63.93. My max profit is still $406. My probability is still $85. And now I'm collecting $1.07 in credit to open this trade. Let's just whip out our calculator here for a second again. Let's say that we open this and we do $107 and we divide that by our new max loss, which is 63.93. So 63.93. And the return on capital is 1.6%. So if I divide that by 42 and we times that by 365, I'm going to get the annualized return. It's going to be 14.5. Now this is a little bit less than it was before. I could be more aggressive or not, depending on what I want to do. So if I wanted to be even more aggressive, I could sell the 35s. This is still giving me a break even right around that $33 mark, but I'm looking for very simplistic strategies to set up. So this is what's called a 1-to-3 ratio spread or put ratio spread. And what I'm liking the most about this is I'm okay making, 15% annually. And having this large profit tent in here, because I know that if it does drop down and it lands inside of the profit tent, even once per year, if I did this trade 12 times, if it fell into that profit tent once and I made a couple extra $100, well, that is going to far exceed my overall return. And it's keeping me with a very high probability of profit. Now, very quickly, I'm going to show you how I enter this into the rolling options record keeper because it is dead simple. So I'm going to get $107 credit for this. So I'm going to go to a new trade. We're looking down here at the zero trade custom tab. I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to say duplicate because that trade that is locked. I'm going to type in here IBIT and I'm going to put in today's date, which is March 5th. I'm going to hit enter the transaction date. I'm going to fill this in using a hotkey, March 5th. We're going to put in the underlying price. You'll note the record keeper automatically pulls the price using Google Finance. So I can just type this in to record it, 4016. My strategy description is going to be a put ratio. And I usually like to put these in as a 1-to-3 so that I have a note of what it is. You'll see as soon as I type that in, it starts to highlight some white cells down here for triggering me for my entry. So my option expiration date is going to be April 17th. And then I'm going to choose one of these drop downs and I'm going to say, I want to pick a short put and I want to pick a long put in here. So I am selling the 34s and I am buying the 37 and I am selling 3 of the 34s. 1 of the 37s I'm buying, and I'm doing this for a net credit of positive 1.07. I'm doing 1 contract, and you'll see it automatically charts this down below. It's showing me red here, which means there's something not quite entered, and what it's looking for is my commissions. Now on Moomoo I pay 65 cents, so I'm just going to use a little calculation in here. I'm going to say 4 times negative 0.65 for 65 cent contracts because I'm doing 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if I was doing multiples of all of this, I could change the multiplier here, but in this case, I'm just leaving that at 1 as the default. It charts it nicely. I'm going to zoom way out because this is showing down to $10. I'm going to make the move $3. I'm going to see that my max loss is 63.93. I'm going to confirm that on Moomoo that my max loss is 63.93. My max profit is 407. We can see all of this is in here. So max profit in the rolling options record keeper. now I can record this as 63.93, and then I can zoom back into a more appropriate level, and you'll see that my max profit is very, very similar. It's building that tent, so we can see exactly how much money we're going to make over time. If the stock goes up, I make that 14.5% return annually. And if the stock goes down, I have the chance of it falling into the tent. And if it goes down too far, then I'm just buying the shares just like I would any other cash secured put. Now, if you found this video helpful, remember to click the like button. That helps my algorithm a ton. Leave me a comment and tell me what your favorite trades are to trade cash secured puts on. Subscribe if you haven't, because we're trying to get rich together. Check out some of my other videos. Thanks so much. Take care.